Alright, I'm going to clean the lens on the Epliog laser cutter. This is something that should happen probably once every couple weeks, maybe a little more frequently depending on how often it's getting used, and it will improve the quality of the cuts. So I've got the lens cleaner, I've got a small flashlight so I can see what I'm doing, and I've got some Q-tips, all of which are kept behind the machine. So I'm going to put a little bit of lens cleaning fluid on my Q-tip, and then I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to do a circular motion, rotating the Q-tip as I clean it, and then I'm going to go to the dry side of the Q-tip and just make sure the lens is dry. Then I'm going to get a second Q-tip, and I'm going to go from the bottom, just do circular motions, usually going from the center of the lens out, and then just inspect it to make sure it looks nice and clean. And then there's a mirror on the side of the machine, so let's go over from this angle, and that mirror is just right in there. And so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my third Q-tip, I'm going to put some lens cleaning fluid on it, and I'm going to sneak in this mirror here. Okay, and that's it. So it should be ready to go.